Right here in the wood shop, and the artist Daisy, she's made up all these little watercolors. I guess the theme is fall. And this one has already been sold, so I'm making up a little frame for it. I've got this little jig. I'm going to put it in the jig, glue the corners together. I've got some plexiglass, and the business card goes in the back, behind the back glass. I'll show you when I'm finished. Here's the homemade frame jig in action. I've got 2 clamps holding it in place, everything's square. I've got glue on all 4 corners. I think now I might sneak in some little small screws just for a little extra strength. And now all 4 corners have been glued and screwed. This one is done. There's actually one more step to go. This hanger has to be installed, and then we're done. And since the back is clear, we stuck a business card in the back. Frame number 1 is finished. We've started frame number 2. By the way, these are made out of pallet wood. And frame number 2 is going to have either acorn or autumn leaf. I've got 7 pictures left to frame. I've got to mass produce some frames. Here's a pallet board. I'm going to cut it first 1 inch wide. That'll make several frames right there. So I just ran every board through the table saw and I made this groove. That's what the 2 pieces of plexiglass in the picture sit in. Now I'll run over to the chop saw and I'll cut off, this is 6 inches, and I'll do a 7 inch, 2 for each frame, then nail them together. I even made a frame for Colonel Krausman and its new metal seat. Video coming soon. And there we have it. All 8 pictures have been framed. And if you're thinking, wait, I only see 7, the pumpkin, the one we did first, it's already sold. You know, first come, first serve. If you want one, let me know. And if you want some kind of custom picture, she don't have to be a cow or an acorn or a leaf or a fox. She don't have to paint this. She can paint anything you want. Thanks for watching.